press it once. Should we put the thing over it? Because white. No. Okay. Oh shit. You said what? Okay, so first we have to press it again. Okay. So, now, not too high on the. So remember where her boob would be. Right. You like that? Okay. All right. Ready? Ready. Okay. All right, we're on a plane. Right here? Yeah. Right here? Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, talk to your okay, she's right. I'm sorry, guys. I'm supposed to show you guys when we took off the plastic. Bring the A down a little bit. To that part that was lifting, you said? Yeah. Right here? Uh-huh. Right here? Yeah. I don't want it on the hat. Alright. So when you have multiple letters, you're supposed to take it off. It's hard to explain. I hope Yeah, press each one. Yeah, press each one. So this only for 8 seconds. You put a little pressure. 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi. Now, this is the key. Leave it on there until it dries. You want to see if it kind of lifts a little bit so we can... It's not. Oh, it is coming out. It's coming out. It's coming out? Yeah. Good. So we're going to wait and then come back. And this is her finishing touches. This is what she did. She's doing Aruba Girls Trip t-shirts. So if you want one, inbox us. Okay, fix my chair a little bit. Good morning. So it is early in the morning. I have the camera lower so you guys can't really see my face or my hair because of course it is not done. I packaged, well, my mom, she put it in this little thing for us. If you guys want to know where we got this from, it's going to be a link in the description box. So, yesterday we pressed this shirt. I don't know if I gave you great detail on how to, there you go, on how to make these. But I have another video on my channel where I'm going in detail on how to press the shirt or how to use a Cricut. But I can do another one, especially if somebody place it in order, I'm going to do another in detail. But I'm just going to package this. Ooh, okay. I'm trying to be careful and it's falling. Okay. And like we said, in all my videos, every customer gets a gift. Little bag with says thank yous, coupon codes, and all that in here. Like I said, we are always grateful when somebody places an order, big, small, whatever. You guys can't see what I'm doing. Let me look at the camera just a little bit. This is my child right here, Shakespeare. He's so cute. All right. This room is a mess. Please don't judge me, guys. All right. Air go out. I'm gonna put the address on here. All right, and it's ready. So we're about to ship this order, and then when I get home, I'll probably find something to eat, then to relax. I have to go to work tonight, and then tomorrow is school. You guys already know. Okay, so I just emailed her her tracking number. Now I can relax. Actually I can't. Well, I'm gonna get something to eat. It's this place over here that I like. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna get something from them. So that song, my mom used to get mad when I used to sing it when I was a kid. But yeah, anyway, so I am about to get something to eat. When I get home, I need to edit. Whoa, oh, I finished editing last night. I just remembered. But I need to do something. I need to like post something, because what me and my mom are doing is working. Or it could just be because people are traveling, and so many people are going on vacations, and a lot of people who been buying stuff has been our cover-ups. And yeah, I'm so excited. I love shipping orders. I love packaging it, shipping it, and all that. Now I'm debating if I should. I don't know now. I don't know what kind of food I want. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. As soon as I get something to eat, I'm just gonna relax at home. Or should I go to Starbucks? Starbucks never fails me. Oh shit, okay. Let me pay attention. Alright, let me just turn the camera off because I'm not focused. Alright, I look a mess. It's fine. So this is what I got from Noah's Bagels. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, that's how it looks. The camera's not doing justice, but okay. Let me see this taste out. It's dry. Thank you. Oh, can I get a shot too? Thank you. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to get a Starbucks side with apple juice. Look kind of light, but anyway, I had to get it. And if you go to anybody who goes to a Starbucks, if you go to the chain, always use your debit card. If you because on the debit card they have an option where I know Chase and Wells Fargo, because those are two accounts that I have, they give you an option to get money back if you shop with them. But you have to push accept first, and then yeah, you can get money back. So it's a little incentive for me to. Don't mind my nail, but it's an incentive for anyone to go. I'm glad I didn't get a large. I don't know how to make it good. Alright, so I'm gonna finish my sandwich and then we're gonna head home. You know, when I eat in the car like this, it's like, it gives me, you know, the chance to get out the house. Even though I have to work, you know what I mean? It's hard to explain. No, the chance to get out the house. I should got 1 egg. I think she put 2 eggs on here. But this is okay, but I'm not gonna waste my money, so I'm gonna eat it.